Hello, this is wmpyr. This was sent to me, just got it just now at the front door. This is the security umbrella. So, you know what, guess what, it's raining. And I figured it's a perfect time just to test it out as a regular umbrella. So, let's find out, shall we? So right here, boom. And surprise, surprise, works just fine. I did feel a difference when I had this on and didn't. And now let me try to get some of the water off, see how fast it does that. I'll just go like that. The handle feels like wood. And when it's wet, how slippery is it? It feels fine because of the shape. It gives me something to, to really get a grip on. So it felt completely fine. Boom. Works good. And the water comes off fairly nicely, so then you just do that. Use the strap, and there you go. You put it away like this, right? So yeah, that's an umbrella. So far, so good. So thank you for watching, and take care, folks.